Hi and welcome. Today I have a little trick up my sleeve. Tomorrow I'm going to make something and I absolutely need Italian sausage meat for that. Funnily enough, since I live in Norway, it's sort of hard to come by. So what I'm going to show you is how to quickly and easily make your own. To make my quick and easy sausage meat, I've got 500 grams of fatty pork mince, has fat content of 25%. If you can't find that, use pork chops, use any kind of fatty pork meat you can get your hands on, doesn't really matter. Now let me show you my aromatics. Sorry about that, Nigella. Here we go. Since I'm making Italian sausages, let me take you through what I got. Got some finely ground black pepper, got some ground fennel seeds, got a little bit of coriander, got 15 grams of salt, got some cloves of garlic, and a little bit of thyme, and a little hint of some rather hot chilies. If you wanted to make like classic English bangers, you could go for some ground pepper and sage, obviously, instead. If you go for Spanish, substitute whatever you like with some smoked paprika, or a lot of smoked paprika. Okay, let's get this on the road. From start to finish, once I get going, this will take less than a minute. Okay, I'm just gonna dump everything in. First the pork. Garlic and spices with the salt. Put it on. Oops! Wait, that was lucky. Let's start blending. Okay, this has been going for 45 seconds to a minute. You see the consistency we got here. You can use that as meatballs in spaghetti sauce as it is. You can use it on pizza. And basically, the traditional fresh Italian sausage is made to take out the casing. What we're just omitting here is the casing. I'm going to spread it out on some baking paper that I've lightly greased, because I want some sausages for my breakfast in the morning. Now I can't really be bothered to putting them into sausage casing at this moment. I might actually do some sausages in a future video, show you how that's done. It's easy enough. Nothing to be afraid of. So what you want to do now is just roll these in to the paper. And just tease them out into nice, like sausage shapes. Like so. Hi, when I was making this video, my head was a bit preoccupied because I had a lot to do. Had it not been preoccupied, I would have made myself one of these, put the sausage bit in, through with my hands, get nice uniform sausages, and then roll it into the paper. Now that is the tip of the day. Okay, so I've got some pork fat for frying, a couple of eggs, the sausages that I just reshaped slightly, got some bread toasting, and I'm just going to cook myself breakfast. And there's my breakfast for you. Oh, obviously, I made them a bit too thick, so it took a while. You can do them in the air fryer or in the oven if you like. Can't wait to have a taste, and I can't wait to cook with this sausage meat later on today.